In this video, we will be installing ALA Lighting LED interior dome lights on a 2019 Chevy Colorado. To access the bulb, you'll need to remove this cover. To do that, you'll need a flat tool. Plastic is recommended. The cover is held on by 6 clips. We're going to pry the cover off by wedging our flat tool into the side. Once you have released 2 of the clips, you can pull the cover downward to open the gap. Then use your flat tool to enlarge the gap until the cover comes free. Once you have removed the cover, you can access the bulbs. Now there's not a whole lot of space to get your fingers in the housing to grip the bulb to pull it out, but we have a solution for that. All you need is a small piece of tape. Wrap the tape around the bulb, make it nice and tight and secure, then pull the tape downward. The bulb should come with it. You can now install your new ALA Lighting High Performance LED bulb. This bulb features LED chips only on the top of the bulb, so when it's installed in the housing, all the light will shine downward, eliminating any wasted light and maximizing the amount of light directed into the car. Install the new bulb by pushing it into the socket. Here you can see the difference in the light output between the ALA Lighting LED bulb on the right and the standard halogen on the left. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Give the bulbs a quick test to make sure they work properly. Then reattach the cover front side first. Line up the tabs with the holes, then push it in to secure it into place. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.